Drove all the way down here into the lower pasture. Old Cooper tires are pretty gummed up. Wasn't real sure if I should drive down here or not. This whole field was underwater about a week ago. Cows are over there. I see a couple babies. They've had several that they've lost this year for some reason. And those are the first two little ones I've seen in a bit. But yeah, this whole valley was underwater. Doesn't look like I'm sinking that much, which is good. I just got to watch out for any low spots like that swale. Might still be kind of wet. But we're going to take the rod and reel. Some small baits. Creek's starting to clear up. You can see the bottom. A good little hole right here where these two creeks come together, or where it splits. There's a little island there, and they come back together right there. It'd be a good spot for fish to stage up. And we're going to walk it, fish it, all the way down there, probably about a half a mile. We're just going to leave the truck here. Hopefully my friend, that big black bull, doesn't decide to come over here and hang out at the truck till I get back. Sure, he's over there in the shade with the other ones. That's a good old truck for a 97. Anyway, let's go fishing.